Hello everyone. Let's see some current market overview. So we are on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, basically we opened gap higher and we have the rejection block. So this is the weekly rejection block, and then above the weekly rejection block what we have, the unmitigated week. So this is our key level, and we are in the middle of these two levels, and we need to keep an eye on these levels during the week. Let's go on the daily time frame. So what we see on the daily time frame, we have the bearish change of character. It means what? We have the bearish range after QM, and now we are looking for the internal range liquidity. And whenever you want to find the internal range liquidity, you have to go one time frame higher to find the internal range liquidity. You will not say this is the internal range, this is the internal range, or this one, that one, whatever. It will be so messy. You have to go one time frame higher. So one time frame higher, this is the leg. So this is the internal range liquidity, and if you see, the price reacted 2 weeks off of this level, and then at the extreme we have what? We have another internal range liquidity, and then this is the weekly order block, and we are rejecting from here and we are looking this side now, and this is another break of structure, this one, this level. So this is our draw on liquidity on the daily time frame, and then we go on the H4 time frame to see, because on the daily time frame we are already inside the internal range liquidity. On the weekly time frame we checked the internal range, and then we are heading towards the daily time frame break of structure. But of course, this is the larger view. We have to check on the lower time frame what is going on. So we go on the H4 time frame to check. H4 time frame, what we have? We have a bearish break of structure. If we have the bearish break of structure, then the two possibilities can happen. One, the continuation. This is the low, lower high, and lower low. We will have another break of structure. Or second, maybe it could be the change of character if this move fails, right? So this is on the H4 time frame, and this is also very large time frame. We can't take too many decisions over here except some POIs or some key levels, these kind of things. But structure is not going to help a lot even on the H4 time frame, because even if this rejects from here and it makes another change of character, it will take several days to week. Look here, from here to here, it's already like 76 days. Can you see? So it can take a lot of time. So it's also not going to help you a lot. uh, that's why you have to just check the higher time frames what's going on. You can mark the structure, but all your decision making is on the 15-minute and 3-minute time frame, because that is the quickly you can enter in the market as per whatever the ranges will be over there. And then we have what? We have the H1 time frame. On the H1 time frame, what we have? On the H1 time frame, we have a change of character, and after change of character, our QM is confirmed this range, and now we have the bearish range. So either we can have another break of structure or change of character. These are live, right? Because this high and this low, if we break this low is a break of structure, if we break this high is a change of character. And now what we have, now we can check that what is going on internal structure over here on H1 time frame. So when the price disrespect the DOB, you start to mark the internal structure. This is here. You are marking the internal structure. Then what you have? First, you know that you have the range from there to here, right? And now this is alone the internal structure after DOB was disrespected off of this range, the external range. Now we are internal. And then what we have? Look, this is the first QM when the price rejected from this order block. Of course, you will not enter directly here. What you will do? You will go on the lower time frames on the 15-minute or on the 1 hour time frame to find the ranges. And this should be your target. And then respectively towards the DOB. And then you have the range from here to here. And when this range was confirmed, when you have a QM confirmed, right? And once the QM got confirmed, now after the QM, the market took what? The internal change of character. And when the market took the internal change of character, actually you have the range from there to here. And the price was going up. And finally, you got the internal change of character. So it means your external and internal to this side, they are in the same direction now. Once they are in the same direction, now you have the range here. And of course, you want to sell this one now. Why? Because the external range and internal range, they are in line with each other. And once the price took the QM, you can sell from the IDOB. You see, this one is mitigated, everything is mitigated except this one. Except this one, right? And then what you are looking for? You are looking for another break of structure. And the market did the break of structure. Because we have the low high, we have the lower high and lower low. This one, right? Because this one took this major low and this one just the internal range, I mean internal structure from there to here, and then the QM, and then from IDOB we were looking for the external range liquidity, this one and also this one. And then the price rejected from here. So when the price rejects, what we do? We check the QM and then we start to go long because this is rejected from here, and now maybe we are going on the other side of the market. And now you can start to mark the structure from here. Okay. And then we go on the 15-minute time frame. On the 15-minute time frame, if you see, we have a very long range from there to here. What we have from there to here, we have the change of character, right? So if we have the change of character, after QM the range was confirmed, and after DOB we will start to mark the internal range, internal structure, right? In this case, if you check that this range is almost 16 days, so we can't just wait for the market to take out this high as a change of character or this low as a break of structure, we have to play this area. In this case, what you can do, you can mark the structure from here. I mean the internal structure. Okay, now our internal structure has started. And after DOB, now we are looking for long, and on the H1 time frame we have checked that why we were seller over here, right? And now actually we are looking for this point to buy, because on the H1 time frame this is just the liquidity grab. So this is not a valid break of structure. And even on the 15-minute time frame also, it is what? Just the liquidity grab. Okay. And then we start to mark the structure from here. And now we can see that we have the bullish ranges from here to here. And then we got another break of structure today, right? And if you check on the 15-minute time frame, once we were coming something like this, what was our current range basically? The current range was this one, right? And this one was the liquidity grab. And after this IDOB, we were looking for long. So in this case, this is from June 26. We can start to mark the structure, bullish structure, because we are going towards the extreme order block. So we can mark the bullish structure of 26 June. We mark from here, okay? So this one is the 26, this one, right? External, we don't need anymore. We know that where we are. We just need to mark the internal structure now. So in the internal structure, now the structure is only drawing from this anchored point. And now we are looking only long. Every pullback we are looking for long until where? Until the extreme on the 15-minute time frame. And if you see that today also what the market is doing, the market have the range from here to here. This is today's price action. And just from the QM, the market is making another breakout structure, and this is the live QM. If the market takes this QM, we will have another range. So we are at the 15-minute extreme, and also the 15-minute I choke also. So now you need to be careful to go long, because the 15-minute objective is done. But H1 objective is not done. So if you want to go on the H1 time frame and you want to be long, just be careful. Look here, the H1 time frame, if we check the internal range, look here, this was the H1 objective, and we are very close to this one. Okay, so be very much careful. If we break this level, then on the H1 we have this order block. So keep an eye on this order block today. Okay, so this is what I'm looking at the market today. Okay, thank you.